Okay, so Mulled Wine can be one of the trickiest colors to apply. It's a matte color and it's super dark, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys today a couple little tips on how you can get Mulled Wine to look perfect.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do to prep my lips is I'm going to use a lip scrub. Oh, there's stickers all over that. So this is just coconut oil, sugar, and I think I flavored this one with vanilla. So I'm just rubbing that all over my lips, and that's just to make sure that they are nice and clean and there aren't any like weird, I don't know, lip exfoliated pieces. So then I'm just wiping that off with a wet cloth, and I'm going to make sure that it's really dry. Okay, your next tip for these colors is to make sure to shake it really, really well, because you want all that color and all of the alcohol and everything in it to mix really well, and that's going to help you so that it's not streaky when you apply it. Then you're going to make sure that you take off any excess color. You want your first layer to be really thin, and that's going to just help you get a nice even application. Okay, and then I'm going to do my top layer. So again, I'm just doing a really thin layer. And while I'm doing this, my bottom is having enough time to dry. With these colors, you probably want to have about 20 to 30 seconds between a layer. So these ones to put on are a little more high maintenance than your other colors, but if you follow these steps, you're going to have really good success with it. So I'm just doing another little shake of it. I really want to make sure that that color is dispersed really nice within the tube. And this layer I'm going to do a little bit thicker than I did my first layer. Okay, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top. Okay. And I'm just kind of touching up on the inner waterline area. And I have one more layer to do, and this layer I'm going to kind of be a little more touch-uppy. I know that's not a word, but I'm not going to do like a complete thick layer. I'm just going to kind of do like a really thin, gentle layer over top just to kind of even everything out. So kind of like that first layer. That's about the amount of product that I have. Okay, so now I'm just going to let that dry really well. I'm happy with the application, so that's good. And the last thing I need to do with my color then is to seal it with my gloss. So I'm just actually going to put a little bit of gloss on my finger, and I'm just going to tap it onto my color. And then I'm just going to rub my lips together. And there you have it. There is the perfect mulled wine application. Thanks for watching.